My name's Mike Gall. I'm the Parks Manager for the City of Des Moines Parks and Recreation Department, and we're here to talk about our Goose Management Plan. Within our parks, we have perfect habitat for our park patrons to enjoy, but also really good habitat for temperate geese. So the interaction of the two is what creates the problem that we have. The geese themselves pose a safety concern on trails, and then also the mess that's left behind can be slick and pose a problem as well. Geese, when they're protecting their young in their nest, they can get protective of their area, and that poses a problem for park users. So the DNR came in and helped us formulate a plan. So the Goose Management Plan that we utilize to address our goose issues. Number one solution would be to adjust the habitat that's created for geese. So letting grass get a little bit longer in between waterways and mowed grass is one habitat change that we can do. And then also placing barriers between mowed areas and water, the places that geese would use the most. Geese became accustomed to human interaction, so they're comfortable here in urban areas. So another tactic is aversive conditioning. Condition those geese to maybe view humans as a predator or a threat like they had in the past. So that is one tactic. It's isolated where there's more human interaction. That's really where the problem lies. And any things that we do to condition them to not use those areas is to get them to use areas that don't have that human interaction. So do not feed the geese. That's the number one. And then also too, when they're sitting on a nest or are being protective of an area, just not going near that area would be number one. All of our tactics are not there to hurt geese or their young. It's to condition them and make them not frequent the areas that we intend for them to not frequent as much. So our Goose Management Plan is a result from feedback that we've received from our residents. So our number one goal is to address the concern of the amount of geese in a humane, correct manner, and to reduce the human-goose conflicts that exist in parks and public areas.